Hey, have you seen people in your life around you anytime, those who have less skills, less knowledge, and they don't even work so hard, but still they seem to have incredible life? And that is so irritating. You're just trying to figure out what exactly you're doing wrong and work on it. Then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you why these people have this Midas touch and how you also can have it. I was planning one show with research on researchers' life, and for that I wanted to invite my scientist friend. When I started inviting them, they told me that Seema, don't call us scientist, and it was an individual separate call. So they told me that don't call us a scientist. You know, the fact is one person is PhD, other is postdoc from Iceland, both of them from India, and I'm so proud to have these friends in my life. These are the people. What is bothering me here is both of them are getting that designation, that degree from their organization. They are called as, they have a title, that is senior research scientist or a research scientist. For this title, these people have worked around 35 to 40 years of their life, relentless efforts. The compromises that these guys have done, like immense, we can't even imagine that. Compromise on social events, social gatherings, family events, relationship, late marriages. Women scientists, they have late kids, and I think that is one of the biggest compromises someone does for a career. And apart from devoting around half of a life to get this title, after getting that, what is stopping them to accept the fact that they deserve it? Do you also feel difficulty in accepting the compliments? Then it's a serious issue, because that shows that this is the lack of self-worth, low self-worth or self-esteem. This is basically, self-worth and self-esteem is basically how much you value yourself, what you think, feel and believe about yourself. Low self-esteem and low self-worth has massive negative impact in every area of your life. It can be health, wealth, relationship. In relationship, two different individuals, if they might be very good separately, but when they come together, they don't complete a relationship. So painful it is. Health, I have seen a lady, she used to take extreme care of herself and family, perfect diet, perfect exercise, no restaurant food, but she is the one who told me, Seema, every organ of my body is creating pain for me now. I don't know how I'm taking so much care of my body. But it is not even eyelid has left me. I have taken treatment for eyelid also. What is that? After taking care so much of the body, still this woman is going through so much of pain. And coming back to the main story, people, those who have less knowledge and skills, earning more than the people who are having huge intelligence, working really hard. Because I'm going to make a very bold statement. Self-worth is equal to net worth. Your finances, your bank balance in your account is nothing to do with the hard work, knowledge and skills you have. It is directly related to your self-worth and self-esteem. If it is very difficult for you to believe in this fact, I want you to cross-check this around your family, colleagues and friends. Just cross-check this. It is nothing to do with your knowledge, skills and hard work. By the way, my name is Seema Ranavre, life coach and author of Victim to Victory and co-author of Cut the Crap. Both these books are available on Amazon and Flipkart. Link is in the description. Now I am going to share with you those 10 easiest and simplest hack to build your self-esteem. Note it down, bring your pen and paper and note it down. Number 1, don't criticize yourself. See guys, criticism is only going to bring negativity and it is only going to damage your life. So don't criticize yourself and others for any reason. Approving yourself is going to bring huge positivity in your life and you will start loving your life. Number 2, don't scare yourself. There is a little child, little kid inside you. You must have experienced that. And when you scare that kid by imagining a very terrible movie inside in your mind, This kid has no place to go anywhere. It is feeling suffocated. How are you going to feel happy when the kid inside you, your baby, your kid, is suffocated? So don't scare yourself. Try to make that movie pleasurable in your head, no matter what. Number 3, be gentle, kind, and patient with yourself. Just treat yourself like you treat your romantic partner in new relationship. Bold, italic, and underline. Number 4, praise yourself a lot for every small thing. I have praised myself for making teak, folding clothes and all. Number 5, forgive yourself. Guys, we can't forget the fact that we are human beings and we are born to make mistakes. So don't beat yourself for any mistake you have done in the past, because all of us, we make decisions, we do certain things based on the knowledge and the experience we had, and that time we felt that this is the right thing to do and we did it. So forgive yourself, forgive everyone else in your life, and see how lighter you become in your life. Number 6, love your negative thoughts. Yes, I mean it. Love your negative thoughts, because the more you resist your negative thoughts, they are going to stay there for longer time. And once you accept the fact, they will easily go from your head. Number 7, don't hesitate in asking for help. Ask for help. It is a great sign of strength. Number 8, love your body. Take care of your body, because it is your shield, it is your temple. Number 9, have fun in life. That should make you feel like you have become a child again. And last but not the least, love yourself unconditionally. Start doing it right now, right here. By the way guys, my name is Seema Ranavre, mother of a naughty daughter, wife of a perfectionist husband, researcher turned into a lecturer, author, speaker and a coach. I help working professionals get unstuck in their life. I help researchers live magnificent life by helping them empowering their beliefs, working on their inner core, building their self-esteem and self-worth. Through my 90-day system, which is absolutely customized, we can actually find out how your brain is exactly wired since your childhood experiences, what is that impact it is having on your life, what is stopping your progress, and we will create a new success blueprint for you, which is leading you to a desired relationship, health, or a professional career. So what are you waiting for? All you have to do is just click on the link in the description to book one-on-one discovery session with me. So stay tuned. See you soon.